Welcome to Money Back Mindfulness. I'm your host, Mamoon. Are you feeling stressed, overwhelmed, anxious, worried, depressed, fearful, and perhaps even joyous? Remember that you're not alone, that millions, if not billions, of people around the world can relate and empathize with your pain, your suffering. We're going to take some deep breaths together and see if we can let go of some of the suffering, come back to trust in the unfolding of life, to say yes to this present moment as it is, with full trust that it's for our benefit, for our growth, for our deepening of love. That being said, get comfortable, get in a nice seated position where you can be upright, aware of your posture, putting distractions to the side, putting the future to the side, putting the past to the side, and coming into this present moment, feeling the gift of right now. Extending your spine, dropping the shoulders away from the ears. We're going to breathe in sets of 3, inhaling and exhaling. You can breathe out the mouth, through the nose, out the nose, through the mouth, whatsoever you like, whatsoever is most comfortable to you. Once again, becoming aware of the posture, letting the eyes be closed. Breath in, exhale, breathing in, exhale, releasing, breath in, breath out, imagining that your whole body, every cell is breathing in, exhaling and inhaling and exhaling, breathing more with the belly and exhaling, pushing the belly out. Breathing in, breathing out, breathing in love, exhaling fear, breathing in trust, exhaling insecurities, letting go of negativity, letting go of fear, following my breath. Breathing in trust. in love. Exhaling pain and darkness. Dropping your shoulders, relaxing the belly, relaxing your face. Relaxing into this moment, unlike any other moment that's come thus far. Witnessing and welcoming your pain, your anxiety, your shame, your guilt. Coming back into forgiveness, coming back into compassion. Compassion not just for yourself, but for all human life, all sentient life, the animals, the plants, the trees. Feeling compassion for all the suffering that we go through in this life. Recognizing that the suffering is not against us, but in our support. Needed for our growth, for our deepening of love and trust in the unfolding. Taking a deep breath in and a deep breath out. Breathing in slowly and softly. And exhaling as much as you can. Breathing in and exhaling as much as you can, letting go. Breathing in and exhale, feeling all the pain leaving the body, leaving the mind. And if your mind has been wanting to think, if your emotions have been wanting to express, now is the time to let your mind, to let your emotions be totally free. Relaxing the belly, relaxing your face, letting the eyes be closed, witnessing any discomfort and welcoming it like an old friend, welcoming fears, anger, sadness, happiness. All is welcome. Taking a deep breath in. Hold. And exhale. Way to stick with it, my friend. So happy that you would join me today across time and space. Breathing in 3 times. Exhaling 5 times. Breathing in and exhaling 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhaling all the air in your lungs, being totally empty of breath. Hold and inhale. Holding the breath at the top now. Tensing the body, squeeze down on your fist, squeeze down on your jaw, tense everything, feel so tense, your body is tense. Squeezing the hands, squeezing the jaw, and exhale, releasing. Relaxing the hands, relaxing your face. Relaxing your heart, relaxing your mind. Letting go of past, letting go of future. Just being with this moment in an intimate way, really seeing and connecting to this moment. Feeling a smile come to your heart, to your mind. Smiling at any pain that's still lingering inside, knowing that you are beyond this pain. Breathing in and breathing out. Inhaling and exhale. Taking a deep breath in. And a deep breath out. Coming back to trust. Coming back to love for yourself, for your body, for your emotions, for your circumstance, for all the obstacles that have been driving you nuts. Coming into an appreciation for even these obstacles. Coming back into gratitude. If you listen to this, you live to see another day. It won't always be that way. I thank you for joining me anyway. Across time and space, sending a big hug. Wishing you healing on your journey. Remembering that you have the power to alchemize energy, pain, into more love, into more compassion, into more peace. Have faith in yourself to be able to alchemize suffering and turn it into something incredible, something creative, something beautiful. And with that, I will see you back here tomorrow with love.